If you build websites and never tried Breakdance, well, you need to try it out because this WordPress builder is growing very, very well. And in this video, I want to show you some examples of websites built with Breakdance. They just released the version 2.4 release candidate 2. This is just a quick fix for the 2.4 released in February with all these new features. The preview without leaving the builder, this is pretty useful. If you used Breakdance before, this is a very cool improvement. The ACF flexible content within Breakdance and the new element hover swapper. You can do pretty cool things with Breakdance in a very, very easy way. Add icons to your menu links very quickly. As you can see, you can build pretty cool websites. You can run some action conditionally, for example, depending on where your visitor is from and many other options. And if you use WooCommerce, this is, I think, one of the best builders you can use. But let's take a look at something. They have a section called Made with Breakdance, where they show some examples of websites. These are real websites built from Breakdance users. Let's take a look so you can have an idea of the kind of websites you can create with Breakdance in a very, very easy way. I will say you can build this kind of effects, pretty cool. If you need sites with this style, obviously this is not the classic blog. This is something different, but again, you can do these kind of things pretty easy with Breakdance. Let's try this other website so you can see again these effects. You can create them pretty easily if you want, again, this kind of effects and website. This one is not so effects heavy, but again pretty cool with this background that changes the color. I pretty like this kind of sites, and again these are the cool elements you can use. Have a video, you have these animations, the slider, and so on. This is another pretty cool one with this animation here, and these sites are pretty fast despite you use many effects. Here, as you can see, you can scroll up and down and this effect changes. Absolutely cool. If you build websites for your clients, they will be surprised from the quality of their new website, and you can again build it very easily. Another one, very cool, this animation with this gallery here, and I think it's the only animation. You have another one here. As you can see, very fast and very cool. And let's also take a look at this one with this effect when hovering with the mouse. Here, these other effects when you hover with the mouse. So again, these are all sites made with Breakdance, and you can take a look at all these examples. If you click on the link in the description, you will go to this Breakdance website, and you can choose between different versions. You also have a free one. If you never tried, this is your chance to try it out for free. You obviously have less features in the free version because you have less elements and some of the advanced features are missing. For example, the conditions or CSS class manager. This is the yearly license for one website, or if you want unlimited websites, this is the one I would suggest. If you are an agency and you need a specific offering for teams and resellers, this is the license you need. You can also integrate AI with Breakdance. You have a special AI add-on. You can connect your API key and build the website and build your pages using AI. Again, if you build websites and never tried it, maybe you are using some competitors. The most famous one is obviously Elementor. You will be surprised from Breakdance. Click on the link in the description, try it out for free, and if you like it, you can upgrade here. You also have a 60-day money-back guarantee. So these were some of the example sites built with the Breakdance, so you can take a look by yourself. I hope you liked it. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, thank you very much, and if you want, you can click here and take a look at my previous videos about Breakdance. See you soon in the next one!